Hello, Dr. Moore. So I'll be talking to you about a lesson called Mental Workspace Exam Preparation. Now there's another lesson previously we covered was Mental Workspace Memory Organization. But this one we're going to actually talk about what is a mental workspace and how do you create a personal one for you. So this idea of mental workspace I had mentioned previously is very similar to creating a memory palace in your mind. And the idea is that if you can create a space in your mind that you can organize your thoughts and place them in a very specific way, then it's easier for you to then go into that space and take that information out later. And in this particular lesson, you're going to be thinking about what things make you feel comfortable. Is it being out in nature? Is it being near the water? Is it being near the beach? Is it being on a mountain? Or is it being in a physical structure? And then from that, how do you create a physical representation, a visual representation of your mental workspace? Now, I've seen some students just have one room. And in that room, they have a dry eraser board, they have a periodic table, they may have just a physical table with chairs, and each chair, when they're sitting in that room in their mind, then they can go through and study their physics. In another chair, they study their math. In another chair they study biology. Or you can have separate rooms. I would encourage you to start off very simple and just create one room that has all the accoutrements of comfort that make you feel comfortable and have the things in there that will allow you to remember things and place things into context. And from that, we will build upon that in the lessons to come in a way where we can take this mental workspace and really use it when it's exam time to be able to win.